Guys, we have a surprise. We have lots of mushrooms here. The only problem is it's starting to rain. Look. Lots of mushrooms. I'm going to call the neighbors to come and harvest some. Whoa. All here is just filled with mushrooms. It's amazing how nature works. This is not planted. You just wake up and find this. I'm so excited. I'm going to share it with the neighbors. I'm going somewhere this morning, so I'm going to call the neighbors to come and pick with Fiona. I am so excited though. Look at all these things. There are so many.
Down here.
This is later in the day. The neighbors had picked and Fiona had picked a basket. I called my sister, Lois Akui, to come and pick some. So this evening we are picking for Lois Akui. So traditionally, the Bagandas do believe, Bagandas are mostly in central Uganda. They do believe that this kind of mushroom should be picked by different families. It should not just be one family picking it. If just one family picks, it means it won't grow back in this area. So I had to invite my neighbors because I want the mushrooms to grow back. What do you guys think? Do you think it's true? Well, I have picked it before by myself because there were so few. So I picked it by myself. And maybe this time, Mother Nature has given me a lot so I can share with my neighbors. There are very many local beliefs surrounding these mushrooms. Some say it's not supposed to be fried. If you fry, it won't grow back. This is the one that Fiona picked earlier. She sun-dried it because she wanted to cook it this way.
Hello guys, my name is Fiona Auma, girl from Kyoga, the best chef from Kyoga. Have been drying this since yesterday because Sarah wasn't around. So I was keeping this for her also. So today I am going to cook it. I will cook this, then I will enjoy with her. This is my water boiling. I am going to wash it very well. Then after, I will cook it. After cooking it, I will paste it. I will enjoy this with posho.
When cooking this mushroom, you must wash it very well. Fiona washed it before putting it in the sun to dry, and she's washing it again. Ooh. The chef is not around. The chef has gone to the house to pick something. Maybe you shouldn't cover it fully.
Cover it fully. I want that to happen again.
No, Zuri.
Yes.
Salt. I'm going to look for some cherry tomatoes so I can come and add it here also. Our food is going to be so delicious. Oh my goodness, I'm very happy picking everything from our garden. Tomatoes, eh, mushrooms from our garden, even the peanuts.
Fiona, are the cherry tomatoes better than for pasting?
Yes, this one is very good. In case you paste this, oh my god, it's going to be wow. Salty, only salty food is very good also. It is not good for some people, but eating salty food is good. I have my peanut butter here for pasting my sauce.
Is that it?
Then here is my cherry tomatoes. I am going to wash them. Don't mind about cutting them. They will just get ready. Nothing is moving.
Thank you.
Have we got charcoal for bread?
Fiona is making posho. Fiona, what is posho made of?
Maize flour.
Yeah, this is maize flour. Just that, very simple. Boil the water and mingle. Our neighbors call it ugali. Our Kenyan neighbors.
You put little. Don't put much. First leave it to boil. Ready? Don't make it so hard and don't make it again so soft.
That was a very delicious meal. Do you have this kind of mushroom wherever you're watching from? And if so, how do you prepare it? I would love to hear all that in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did so, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and kindly subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.